Ng gabi sa inyo lahat. Congratulations, Barangay Ginebra, finally champions of the PBA Commissioner's Cup. On behalf of the great Ramon Fernandez and members of the PBA Press Corps, we are delighted to once again present the PBA Finals Most Valuable Player. Averaging 10.0 points, 6.9 rebounds, 5.4 assists, and 1.3 steals. At maganda ang pinakita ngayong Game 7. The PBA Press Corps Finals MVP goes to Scotty Thompson!
Another one for Scotty Thompson! Your PBA 50th Season Commissioner's Cup Finals MVP! And now we turn over the mic sa aming Finals MVP. Give it up for Scotty Thompson.
Una-una, maraming salamat sa Ginebra fans. Ito ata yung pinaka-emotional ko na panalo na MVP kasi unexpected. Battling through ups and downs. So, gusto ko lang bigyang credit lahat ng mga teammates ko. Talagang we push each other, coaching staff, coach team, sa tiwala nila sa amin, binibigay sa amin. And of course, sa family ko, sa asawa ko, Kiki, sa mga anak ko, at sa family ko sa Davao, maraming salamat sa suporta. And of course, kay Boss Al na talagang walang sawang i-push ako. Boss, thank you. Alam mo yan, yung mga text messages mo sa akin, boss, talagang it means lang sa akin, nagbibigay ko piyasa, nagbubog sa akin sa team. I know, hindi lang ako, marami kaming minomotivate mo. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And of course, sa boss namin, RSA, maraming salamat po sa RSA sa walang sawang suporta at bigay lahat ng meron kami. And again, gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung mga PTs namin, boys namin. Grabe yung alaga nila sa amin. Alam niyo na yun, maraming salamat dahil sa inyo, nakalaro kami maayos. So, thank you. Mabuhay ang PBA, mabuhay ang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel.
Once again, congratulations to your champion, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel! PBA fans, maraming salamat sa patuloy ninyong suporta. Kayo pong lahat na nandito ngayon, you are part of history. The crowd he had inside of Moa Arena, the biggest that the PBA has seen inside this venue. Meron din tayong milyong nanood in front of your TV sets or whatever screen they're watching from. Maraming salamat sa lahat sa inyo. Magkita-kita po tayo next conference. Once again, your golden champion of the Commissioner's Cup, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel.
Ayan na ang ating mga kampiyon para sa Commissioner's Cup for the 50th season ng PBA. Barangay Ginebra gets a crown. Justin Brownlee gets another crown. Scotty Thompson gets another trophy as the Finals MVP, the Ramon Fernandez Finals MVP trophy. And there's confetti everywhere. And we asked the question at the start, which team was going to celebrate? It's Ginebra.
Ginebra, deserving talaga sila. Tsaka